Why I feel so awkward now? Hi guys, been a long time. Welcome back to my channel. Where should I start? I had to stop my YouTube for actually a year. There has been a tough time. Really tough time. It's not over yet, and I can't really share the details with you guys, as it's also my family related. I thought COVID was my darkest time in my life, and as soon as I came back to UK, the reality told me it's not yet. You haven't dropped to the bottom of your life yet, and there have been so many things happening at the same time. My mental health issue, my physical problems, family's settlement in a new school, my relationship, just everything jumped on me at the same time. I just really couldn't put a smile on, even in front of the camera. It was a hard decision, but I had to stop my YouTube. Now, after a year, I'm so thankful that, first of all, Emily is settling very well this year especially. I can see the great improvement of her. The school has been really good. She's truly starting enjoying her school. I got so much better physically, mentally is under control, and other things are still going on in my life, but I can now see the light at the end of my tunnel. I can see the light. Although I haven't posted anything in the past year, but I have seen every single comment that you guys posted on my YouTube channel, and I've been ever grateful about it. And a lot of you ask me what's going on, and a lot of you said missing me, just wish me well regardless what happened. And to be honest, I was totally prepared that my channel would be dead by now, but my channel somehow survived. Data isn't great, but it's not that bad for me to actually shut down the channel. And I'm officially announced, I am back. I am back. I'm gonna keep doing it. I absolutely enjoying doing it. It is my passion and never died in my heart, and I'm gonna keep doing it. Although, you know, financial crisis is one of the challenges that I'm still going on. I'm still going through it, but I'm hoping to still bring the diversity of the content to my channel, such as vlogging or day of my life, and as well as still doing the makeup review and tutorial videos with you guys. So I don't want to keep this video too long. Thank you so much for your support. I received all your love, and thank you being here all the time for me, and I'll see you guys on my next video.